I built a software from scratch using Claude Code and I published in less than 24 hours. And I will show you exactly how I did it step by step in this video. Here's the software. This is a business management software that has different options and tasks to do, like this one here, to make a Claude Code tutorial, policy, CRM, document statistics, etc. I built multiple softwares like this one here, Bitmer and Solo Pool. This one is also built with Claude Code as well. I also built other ones without Claude Code, way simpler than this one, with probably 20% of the effort that you will use for Claude Code, and super duper software for personal finance management, as you can see here. And I will show you exactly how I did it step by step so you can do it too. So I tried to watch tutorials and I got almost completely lost. I set up different terminals, Cursor, Google Gravity, and I got lost. I didn't know how to publish, how to connect all these different platforms. So what I did is first I went to Claude. I decided to use Claude. So if you're not using Claude, first thing you have to do is to use Claude. Then you can research, you can have a conversation with Claude and say, hey, I'm thinking to do this thing. What's the next steps? And I will save some time for you and I will help you by telling you exactly how I did it with literally zero experience, never in my life in coding. I still don't know how to code to this day. I just know how to direct AI. I get prompts, copy paste from this one here, and I just paste it to Cursor, to this one here, and also to other AIs when I build with other AIs. But in this one, we'll see exactly about Claude Code. And for Wealth Nova here, as you can see, I have different chats where I builded this one and I was just getting the prompts step by step on how actually to build this. So first you're going to need Claude Code, then you're going to need the subscription, $20 per month. It's enough. If you want to build multiple things, maybe you're going to need it. But for Claude Code, you're going to need to have at least this subscription one here. And then the next step is to build a project. You don't go directly just to start typing Claude Code and develop a super duper software and you are out. No, you need to build first the structure, the complete idea about what you're going to build. And then you have to get the prompts, copy paste, and just then direct AI to build everything for you, fix, correct, publish, connect with different apps that I will show you exactly how you can publish then what you build from Claude Code on the web. First thing first, you have to build here. So what you're going to do is you're going to come here to projects on Claude and you're going to build a new project. Let's say this health insurance app. You want to build a health insurance app. So what you're going to do here is you're going to name this one here. I just did this to save some time for the video. You're going to put the name of I'm not going to build something like this, but let's say that you were going to build something like this, or I was going to build something like this. I keep it very simple. I don't do writing pages and pages and ideas and here and there. No, the AI will do that for you. You just need to have the first concept. If you have everything ready, okay, you can just transcript it and just put it there. But even if you can start by, simple steps like this one here. And so first name the project, say what you're going to do here, the description, and the next step is to actually create the instructions. And as you see here, sometimes I'm maybe too much lazy and I say, create instructions for you now. And here are all the instructions that the Claude itself built for itself. So it's fun, eh? So you will tell what you want and then the Claude itself will build the instruction on how actually will help you. And you can upload here as a file. If you have it already, just upload the file, or you can just copy paste here the instruction. So even the instruction itself or creating a personalized memory system here for you can be built by Claude itself. And then you start with the Claude. And the stable data that you should have here in your mind is that whatever you want to do, you have to ask Claude. You have to ask AI and will direct you and just follow the steps and execute the steps that the Claude is giving you already. So if you go here and say, okay, make a full plan on the next steps and how I start with Claude Code. So obviously the next step is to download the Claude Code itself. So that's easy. You will find the link down below in the description. And once you download it, you will have these three different options: chat, co-work, and then this one here, the code. So everything related to code, you will come and write it here. And this is quite simple to execute it, but I would suggest that you don't actually use this one here. So that may surprise you, but I will tell you exactly why. Because you're going to need the terminal, you're going to need some different options and connections, mostly, and also because you're going to need the terminal. So I suggest you guys, I recommend you to use Cursor. I did use Cursor myself, and I recommend you to use too. It's up to you, but if you want to build something advanced, then go for it. If you want to build something not that much advanced, I'll tell you exactly how to decide on that before you waste waste a lot of time, because you can waste plenty of time, maybe weeks or months, until you actually find your feet on building something. And if you waste a lot of time, maybe also you will give up and will think that, yeah, it's good that AI, but it's not for me, all this stuff. And at the end of the day, you just don't have enough knowledge to actually decide and do the right steps without wasting too much time. So for example, to build something like this, which is quite advanced, too many integrations and calculations, etc., I built all of this, and even the perfect polished homepage. I believe you will agree with that. Let me know down below in the comments about what you think about this app that I built it myself, 100% myself, completely from scratch, this Wealth Nova. I built it actually, guess, from Lovable. Some people may think that this one is not that much for super duper advanced. Yes, actually, about how good things Lovable will build is going to determine on the prompts that you give. And I'll tell you some examples. When I built this app here, Wealth Nova, the AI didn't make everything perfectly, even the colors or this polishness or the options here. It was trying to make it more simple in the beginning and not adding AI. But yes, you're going to need an AI to analyze your finances here. And I was directed. And then at the point I was telling literally to the AI, like, hey, I understand that you may be sick and tired, and literally the AI answered me back, yes, I'm not tired because I don't have feelings, but I'm sick of doing only your dashboard for 24 hours, because it took me more than 24 hours to just polish this dashboard here and make it perfectly, and I will have actually to build something more and better here. So it's more about directing the AI. So when you build with Claude, you're gonna have more advanced thing. I would not say complicated, because complicated is something only when you don't know actually, or if it's a lie, something, or a mystery around it, but only when you are not familiar with it. So you can create very good quality, very much advanced softwares or apps or website with Lovable, and spending probably 15% of the time that you will spend with Claude Code. And I'm not saying this to invalidate or say on try to push you away from Claude Code. I'm just saying that I know that this video will be watched from many different people, and not people who is just coding 24/7, right? But people who are trying to use, who have heard that, oh, you can do magic with Claude Code, and they want to build something, maybe 1, 2, 3 projects, which could be easily been done with 15% of effort and time with Lovable. And later in the future, if you want to advance it with more features, more advanced stuff, your application, then you can also add more things. You can transfer the code to another software like Claude Code here, and then you can work more on it to develop it even further, or increase security or some other extra stuff that you may want to add. But you can definitely start from Lovable and do miracles. So I'm just giving you this parenthesis because I may save you a lot of time and money. Because also when you go to different other platforms, you're going to need subscriptions, you're going to need Vercel, you're going to need Supabase, you're going to need GitHub. GitHub is free. It has also pricing for some features, but you can use quite a lot for free as well. And another good thing is that also from Lovable, yes, it's going to be hosted on their platform, and you may hear different opinions out there, but you can actually save 24/7, anytime, any moment, and back up your entire code on GitHub or anywhere else you want. So you actually also own the code through Lovable as well. First thing first, you have to decide what you're going to do, and second, can this be built with something more simpler than Claude Code? And if you just want to do Claude Code, then let me show you a few more steps on what you do here. So you have to create one folder on your PC, on your laptop, one folder for that specific project. Let's say that is the X Health Insurance Company. You're going to name that X Health Insurance Company. And I have this already here, so I'm just going to choose it. And then you're going to come to get instructions here from the Claude Code. So the Claude Code should work with copy-paste instructions from the Claude AI. So let's say this is Claude Code to do the development, and this is the Claude AI. The Claude AI is the one that will make the plan, the prompts for you to copy and paste it on the Claude Code. So what you have to do basically here is to follow the instructions. You need some basic setups to install the Claude Code. And as you see here, every step is from the Claude itself actually. And it can go just even like this as I'm going here. I'm just being lazy and just copy pasting a simple thing here. It's going to ask you to set up first language. It's going to give you some recommendations. You just have to say yes in the beginning to accept some recommendations. You don't need to complicate things to spend so much time on type of language here and there. Just keep it simple and functional. So you start building here and you see this writing in the same time or in the cursor. So in the cursor, another thing you do is another platform that you can connect the Claude Code. So you have to have the Claude Code in your laptop. So you see here how the entire thing is built, the entire folders are built here. And then you got to come here, look for the Claude Code itself. And then then, yes, here it is. You have to install it. I have already installed that, so that's why it's not showing me. And once you install this, it will open a new agent, new page here, and then you can start developing here. I'm not going to develop something because I have already set up now everything, and I'm just kind of a bit lazy to install and uninstall because it needs a lot of steps. Not maybe too much, but anyway. But the thing is very simple. So you see here the first steps of the setup. It asks you to choose the basic setups on how you're going to do this. Front end only, Supabase recommended. So you go with the recommended ones. Just keep it simple. Web app, recommended, and you do everything. So once you build here, you need to store the code and to have it somewhere online to be able also to deploy it and to get it online. So then you're going to need GitHub. GitHub is a platform where you can store, you can do a lot of things with your development. You can build, have other developers join on your and help in your building. You can do so much. And then from this one here, you're going to need two more apps. One is the Supabase. The Supabase is a platform where you will store the data, all the data of your code, whatever is customer base of your app, anything else. It's a storage place for your development. And once you have this one here and the GitHub, and then you're going to need one more platform, the Vercel. Vercel is another platform to deploy. So, and with this one here, you can log in, in Supabase, you can log in with your GitHub account, and also with this one here, so you can deploy your AI platform here. So those are the steps. You're going to need these three extra platforms, GitHub, Supabase, and Vercel, to get actually your software or website or whatever you build live. And you're going to need Cursor to connect here and build here. Or you can also just go through Claude itself. It's up to you. You have to decide it, but I'm just showing you the steps on what you can do here. And keep in mind as a stable datum that you follow the instructions from the Claude AI step by step on how to build with Claude code, and don't try to experiment. I know that there are too many tutorials out there. I show you exactly how I did it myself, and if you just copy paste and just go step by step with AI and what I showed you so far, you can actually finish and get the product out. And that's how I build it. And also sometimes when I was actually struggled here with Cursor, I didn't know what the hell am I doing, why it's showing this 404, why my website is not loading, etc. I would just screenshot the website, the cursor, the Claude code, and just give it back to Claude AI on the web, and would give me the next instruction. Do this, do this, do that, do that. And Claude AI is not just good to give you the prompts to develop. It's very freaking good to guide you step by step in the right gradient so you don't get overwhelmed and confused, to actually get it done, finished, even fix things, mistakes. I delete something by mistake. When I was doing my first steps, I didn't know what I'm doing. I tapped something by mistake, also from the confusion in the beginning. But you just screenshot the problem, go back to AI, give the next command, the next step, execute it. So you are in the middle of the instruction. You have to actually direct both AIs, but also the Claude AI directs you on how to direct Claude code to develop for you. That's all I got for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Check the links down below in the description for all what we talked today. Let me know down below in the comments if you have any question or any recommendation for my next videos. What would you like me to do next? And also I would like to hear your opinion on the Wealth Nova. What do you think about this app so far? I really want to see your opinion because I'm building this. I want to see also feedback from the people, and it helps me a lot. That's all for today. Like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.